This is another one we wrote recently. This is a thing everybody knows about guitars, which is not really pleasant for you either.
That's a ukulele now.
It's pretty much so. I could do that, you know. Yeah. Can I join?
Yeah.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked along narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, we touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more. People talking without